Hi, it's Samantha from San Diego Homeopathy. I wanted to share with you parents out there some remedies you can use for earaches. Earaches usually come on at 2 a.m. on a Friday, and so I wanted to give you some tools you can use in your home first aid kit for earaches. The first remedy is chamomilla, and it's made from chamomile. You're probably familiar with chamomile tea. A child needing this remedy would have a lot of irritability, really kind of very angry. A lot of times the earache will happen along with the teething. As a keynote for chamomilla would be one cheek would be bright red, the other cheek would be pale. A child needing chamomilla would love to be carried. Especially they love to be rocked. So that rocking motion gives them a lot, is very soothing to them. If your child is exhibiting those symptoms, chamomilla would be a great remedy to give them. The second remedy is pulsatilla. And Pulsatilla is going to be kind of a very opposite presentation than Chamomilla. This baby is like a Velcro baby. They want to cling on, they're whiny, they're weepy, they don't feel good. All discharges are going to be thick like pudding, bland, perhaps yellow-green, but they just want to be with you all the time, and very whiny, weepy, like I mentioned, and there's not a lot of thirst with a child needing Pulsatilla. They may have, in conjunction with earache, they may have a lot of nose mucus coming out of the nose. And then the last remedy is Mercurius. And this remedy for earaches, there's a lot of drooling actually coming out of the mouth. Um, they may have a really bad sour, almost maybe metallic smell to their breath. And there may be discharge from the ear that's yellow-green and thin. Um, so those are the three remedies that you can look into if your child has an earache. We're always happy to help at San Diego Homeopathy. Subscribe below or give us a call. Good luck.